Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Expedia point for your hotel. So let's get started. So first of all we'll just open here our Expedia points. Okay, at here, so you can just join and get the rewards. So you can just click on the Expedia point at here. So it is basically saying blocked. Okay, so I think so it is some problem in my network. Okay, or my IP. So you can just first of all sign up for your points. So to use that point you have to follow these steps. Okay, so you can just get a discount, or you can just book with the no blackout date, or book with your friends or family. Okay, so here we can just book it. First we have to click on the sign in button and we'll just sign in. Then we have to sign in with our ID, whichever ID you are having in the Expedia. Then you will just come to your Expedia main website. Okay, you will just select for your stays. So let us, I am doing stay for like Singapore. Okay, so I will directly search. So from here I will just open any hotel. Okay, so I'm going like any hotel. So you can just go to your desired hotel, whichever hotel you are selecting for. So here I will just select as C. I will just reserve. Okay, so when I will just click on reserve, I have the option to here. So when I will just pay after like logging in, I have the option to use my point. So I will just tick here for using of my point, and then I will be able to use the point. So this is how we can just do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.